No, I mean it's...
Oh, there we go, baby.
Yeah.
Nice smallie. Oh, oh, come on, baby. Oh, oh, yeah. I mean, heck yeah. Keep it PG. Oh man, look at that.
Holy smokes.
Woo.
That's got to be over 20.
We'll check him out. Oh, Ned rig right there. This is just I just got these Ned rigs today. They were like $7. Nah, that's probably, I'm gonna guess 16 on that one. Heck yeah though. Man, see what we got. Oh, you were closer than I was. I was almost 19. It's a good one.
Hell yeah.
All right, let's. There you go, buddy.